क्या आप भी आपके इनकम टैक्स रिफंड 24-25 के लिए वेट कर रहे हो? तो ये अपडेट आपके लिए है। According to a report of the Economic Times, over 24 lakh income tax returns are under processing for more than 90 days. And refunds for 24-25 are down by 19% as compared to the refunds for the last years. ये refund delay होने का reason क्या है? Nudge, a campaign which is launched by the government of India, which scrutinizes your returns based on the advanced data techniques which are available with the government. And currently जो आपको automated messages receive हो रहे हैं to revise your returns, which are based on the deductions that you have taken for ATGN etc., are all part of your nudge communication. And second reason could be the common mistakes that we make while filing our income tax returns. That could be where your PAN card and Aadhaar card is not linked. That is, you need to link your PAN card and Aadhaar card on the income tax portal, or it could be mismatch in the details of your PAN card and Aadhaar card, or it is possible that your bank account on the income tax portal is not validated, or you have not nominated this account on the income tax portal for receiving the refund. Now the question is that for how long the income tax can hold your this refund. तो income tax department के पास 31st December 2026 का टाइम है to process these refunds. In the meanwhile आपको करना क्या है? You need to log in on the income tax portal and check for nudge communication. अगर आपको कोई भी communication आया है income tax department से, then you need to file responses to those notices. या फिर सेकंड, आप ये चेक कर लो कि अगर आपका बैंक अकाउंट नॉमिनेटेड नहीं था और आपका रिफंड स्टेटस फेल हो गया, देन चेक फॉर रिफंड री इशू सर्विसेज ऑन द इनकम टैक्स पोर्टल एंड अप्लाई फॉर रिफंड री इशू. I hope this was an important update for all those people waiting for their income tax refund. So take these actions quickly and share this reel with all your friends who are waiting for their income tax refund.